There's a car going the wrong way on the weather highway today. A storm coming in from the east instead of the west. So we have a high fire risk south and west, no burning allowed, scattered showers north and east from that storm coming backwards, and waiting until November 22nd to 23rd for something significant, something around an inch that will actually help with the drought. Today's forecast, we got sun and clouds south and west, showers north and east, typical high 46. Now, 30s down east, Machias, Eastport, Calais, where you have the clouds and the showers coming in. Same thing up in the county, but warmer south and west, where you're going to have sunshine and just a few clouds. For the Mariners, small craft is up, seas generally around 2 feet, and things will be quieting down later on. The Maritime storm here on Storm Tracker radar coming in from the east to west. It's a wintry mix, a light glaze of freezing rain up in the county. We're staying dry, though, south and west. We're not going to see any precip, really mid-coast, south and west. I don't see anything there. Satellite picture shows a sunny sky to the south, clouds east and north. The Maritime storm approaches. We're kind of in between in southwest Maine. Clear to the south and west. That precip is going to be north and east. A wintry mix happening, but it's going to be very light. I do not expect an ice storm or anything like that. Here comes the Maritime storm, low pressure spinning coming in from the Canadian Maritimes. Extremely dry air, though, raises that fire danger south and west, and light precip to the north and east. Today, it's northwest to north 10 to 20, and with the low relative humidity, that's where the high fire danger is, south and west, where we don't have the precip. Coast 55, so about 10 above the typical number this time of the year because of sunshine, so we'll take it. For the wind here, that north wind increases as it pushes in that storm from east to west, 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts, and we have that very high fire danger with low relative humidity and the wind coming up, especially in New Hampshire. That's where we have a red flag warning up. Futurecast takes us into next week. Now, late next week, around an inch of rainfall, which will be the most we've had in weeks. It's the best opportunity from a storm coming in from the west, the typical way and the weather highway the storms normally travel. That's next week. So around Thursday, Friday next week, that's where the trend is to give us something beneficial to help with this drought we're in. The next 45 days still looks pretty bleak, but we'll take that potential inch next week. Only 3 inches, though, through mid-December. So not good, but we'll take every bit of an inch or two if we get 3 through mid-December. But still, keep water conservation front of mind, top of mind. 47, 42, 45 next few days in the mountains. We'll get into some 40s next week, and then some precip starts to come in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, especially inland. Temperatures around 50, and that's what I'm targeting as the best opportunity for significant rainfall is going to be Thursday, Friday, a few leftover showers on Saturday next week. For the coast, temperatures not quite to 60, but we're going to get close. Sunday, 56, a lot of sunshine. We cool down next week. Here comes the shower activity Thursday, Friday, and this is a coastal statewide thing. So southern coast, mid-coast, up to down east with that potential storm next week. I thank you so much for watching. Jason, happy weather. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend.